Looking to grill that perfect tuna steak? Then this is a video for you. But don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Now, tuna in Australia is quite expensive, so you don't want to dry it out. Now, we're all used to tuna and tuna in a can, which is pretty dry. That's why it comes in a briner. Now, when you cook your tuna steaks, you don't want them turning out dry because you've got no brine to put that moisture back into the tuna that you've lost while cooking. So you need to cook your tuna so it's nicely seared on the outside and you've got a nice fleshy appearance on the inside. Well, the best way to cook your tuna is to get it to at least 48 degrees internally, and that is the perfect temperature. You're going to be using my secret weapon, and that is the Chef Temp Probe. This will give you the perfect cook every time. There will be a link down below into the description of where to get one of these from, and I highly recommend them. So ideally you want a skillet or a cast iron grill. So today we're going to be using the Weber Q1200N. We're going to get them Q plates nice and hot so we can sear that tuna on the one side and then sear it on the other and get it to that nice temperature using the Chef Temp. Right, so what we've got 3 tuna steaks. We're going to season with some olive oil first. Then we're going to season with some salt and pepper on one side. And we're going to repeat that on the other side. Right, so our tuna's fully prepared. Weber's been preheating for around 10 minutes so it's nice and hot. So it's time to get these steaks on the queue. Right, so our tuna's seared on both sides. It should be cooked now to that 48-degree temperature. I'll put on screen what that is in Fahrenheit. So let's plate it up and give it a bit of a taste test. Now don't forget, everything using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So you can see that tuna came out perfect, cooked to perfection and tasted superb. Nicely grill marks on the top. On the bottom you're only getting 1 grill mark, but if you want those nice grill marks, it's pretty easy to do. With my tuna, I served it with some potato chips and I served it with some veg. It's your own personal choice what you want. There are some other sauces you can put with it. I had a bit of tartar sauce, but you can put some chimichurri sauce, pesto, it's entirely up to you. Now, if those of you looking to cook that perfect pork crackle, check out this video next. And for those of you looking to cook the perfect duck on your Weber rotisserie, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you in the next one.